Hey, y'all. We're getting towards the end of summer, but I sure do want to take advantage of the wonderful heirloom tomatoes that's coming in. So I'm going to share with y'all. It's actually much like a caprese salad, but if you look it up, it'll be called fresh summer tomato salad. So I've got my heirloom tomatoes, and I'm cutting them in about a half an inch thick. And if you can't find heirlooms, don't worry about it. You can use a nice fresh big old tomato. All right, and I think it's pretty if you do them in different colors. Just look pretty on the platter. Now you want to make sure you salt and pepper this, and somebody gave me this seasoning, so they're going to use it for the first time. It's Carolina Sunshine, so we will see. All right, now I have the fresh mozzarella that's already sliced, which that makes it so easy. I love to put this on my pizzas. Love it, love it. It's like they didn't slice it all the way through, though. That tomato was real fresh. Okay, all right, now we're going to come in with our basil. And this has been washed and cleaned and dried. This is really an easy salad to put together, y'all, and it's pretty. And you can see I got a lot of basil. So we're going to take our basil and make us an awl to drizzle over it. That was a big tomato, so I'm going to give him a piece of basil. All right, I've already salted it, so now I want to pepper it. And I'm going to pile up some extra mozzarella in the center. So I want to make sure everybody has plenty of the wonderful cheese. Because I like a bite of cheese with every bite of my tomato and basil. So there we go, that's plenty. We'll come back and pepper him. Yay. We're halfway there, y'all. Okay. I'm going to clean up, and then I'm going to make a quick, wonderful vinaigrette to go on top of it. All right, y'all. Now we're going to make the dressing for our mozzarella salad. So I'm bringing the water to a boil. And I've got about 1 1/4 cup of basil left after putting it on the tomatoes. I've got me a bowl of ice water, because when I blanch this, I'm going to dunk it right in there so it'll stop the cooking. And then I'm going to just pat it dry with a paper towel. Ooh, that basil smells so good. Our water is boiling, so I'm going to blanch this for about 10 seconds. It's not going to take long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and a couple to go on. I'm going to plunge that into cold water, and that will stop the cooking process on it, y'all. And then keep it nice and green. It's not going to be all the way dry, y'all, but I'm just going to make sure I get the bulk of the water out of it. So that looks 1/4 cup of basil. Really cooks down, doesn't it? Okay, here we go. Our basil, 1/2 cup of olive oil, and I'm using this wonderful olive oil from my friends at Olive Oil Divine. They make the olive oils that we carry in the store, and they're great people, and they make the best olive oil. Great. I'm going to stick with this Carolina Sunshine salt. The key to this salmon being really, really good is salt. Got to have the salt for it. Let's make sure this is on properly. That looks pretty good, y'all. So pretty. So pretty. Y'all know I want to get all that basil out of there, but that might take a little while. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna sample it to see if we've got enough salt, because as I was saying, salt is the key. That's good, but I'm going to add a little bit of my kosher salt to it. I'll add just a little bit more pepper. It's almost like a pesto, isn't it, y'all?
Yes. Without the pine nuts.
Yes, without the pine nuts. And what a pretty color this is. You know, it's just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And if you wanted to double your recipe, this will hold in your refrigerator for a few days. And you can use it like on a regular salad. Right. One man turn on the Carolina Sunshine. Thank you. I can't remember who sent me that, but I appreciate y'all sharing with me. This is an easy salad to pass at the table. Everybody can just get them a big old thick slice of tomato. And they got plenty of extra mozzarella. Great time of day. You might should have waited, Teresa.
Don't forget to take a picture.
Oh, I forgot that. I'm looking about my picture taken.
Love trying to show them a pretty picture before.
Yes, yes. My bad. Loving best dishes, y'all. Take advantage of those late summer tomatoes that are so wonderful, especially the heirlooms.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.